In a sky filled with sleek clouds, Nimbus felt out of place with his constant hiccups that caused rainstorms. Zephyr playfully nudged Nimbus, drawing attention to the beauty hidden within his troublesome hiccups. The farmyard creatures toiled through the unexpected rain, while the other clouds sneered at Nimbus's uncontrollable hiccuping. Zephyr's gentle words warmed Nimbus's heart, revealing the mesmerizing rainbows born from his hiccup-induced downpours. Enveloped in the radiant hues of the rainbow, Nimbus stood tall, accepting his extraordinary talent as the sleek clouds gazed in awe. Once scornful clouds now marveled at Nimbus's gift, uniting with him to paint the sky with joyous rainbows. Radiating with newfound pride, Nimbus basked in the adoration of the skies, celebrated for his magical rainbow-induced hiccup artistry. The farmyard came alive with exuberant dances under the shower of rain, hearts aflutter in anticipation of the mesmerizing rainbows to come.